Welcome, aspiring real estate pros. I'm thrilled to guide you through one of the most exciting phases of your career, your first 2 weeks as a real estate agent. In this video, we'll dive deep into essential steps to kickstart your journey and lay a solid foundation. Let's get started. In the previous video, you learned what a sphere of influence was and how to start putting that list together. On day 1, you want to start with creating that most crucial asset, your database. It's not just a list, it's the heart of your future business. Gather everyone you know, friends, family, colleagues, even your coffee shop barista. Then meticulously organize this list in the Excel spreadsheet. If you would like our template that we use with our agents, just comment below and I'll send over a copy to you. This isn't just busy work. Well, wait a minute. It is busy work and it's mundane work. And believe it or not, it is work that most real estate agents, at least 87% of real estate agents, don't get this work done in their career. So make it a point to get this busy work done. This will pay dividends in your future. It's your first step in putting together your list of your future referrals. Once you put this list together, you're going to want to invest into a good CRM. Our recommended CRM tool that offers a plethora of features to streamline your workflow is by referral only. Think of it as setting up the command center for your real estate mission.
The idea of the storm you created. Your orders were to get in and deliver the package like we were never there.
Let's talk announcements. Your initial communication sets the tone for your brand. Draft a new announcement that exudes confidence and professionalism. Avoid the new label. Instead, focus on your enthusiasm and commitment. Infuse them with your personality. This letter isn't just an announcement, it's your first marketing pitch. Now it's time to familiarize yourself with some script. Yes, I said it, scripts. For expired listings, for sale by owners, calling your sphere, cold calling, door knocking, just listed, just sold. This might seem daunting, but they're your secret weapon. Read, breathe, and live these scripts. Then practice with your colleagues or even in front of a mirror.
Mirror on the wall, who is the fairest one of all?
It's not just about memorizing words. It's about understanding the emotions and questions behind each interaction. Shoot me a comment below if you'd like our scripts that we teach. Your script journey continues with presentation scripts. These are your narrative tools for engaging essential clients. The listing presentation script and responses to common seller objection. The buyer script and also how to present contracts. We're not just talking about casual reading. Dedicate an hour each day to practice and role play. This rigorous routine transforms these scripts from mere words to persuasive dialogues that resonate with clients. Just as a side note, scripts aren't enough. You need real-world exposure. Seize every opportunity to accompany experienced agents to various appointments. Observe and absorb, from listing presentations to buyer consultations and even property inspections. This is where theory meets practice. Remember, every minute spent in the field is an investment in your real estate career. Amidst your busy schedule, carve out time for vital OABR classes. These aren't just formalities. They're your building blocks, from new agent orientation to MLS rules and system orientation. These sessions are invaluable. They're your key to understanding the foundational elements of the real estate landscape. Mastering the MLS system is a game changer for efficiency and client service. Remember that I said it in a previous video that this is a doing business. So start doing.
You want to make a bit of money? Get into farming. See this? I got this. Selling corn. Comes out of the ground. I couldn't believe it.
Farming in real estate isn't just about selecting a neighborhood. It's about immersing yourself in it. Know the market trends, local hangouts, school performance, even the best dog parks. Utilize every marketing tactic, from social media to neighborhood events, to establish yourself as the go-to expert. This is where your brand takes root and where your reputation as a trusted advisor begins to flourish. Embarking on your real estate journey is thrilling, and these first first 2 weeks set the stage for your future success. Remember, each step you take now is a cornerstone for your career. Next up, let's watch the next video and find out what the successful real estate agents are doing in week 3 and 4. I want to close in saying this. Typically, to stay on track, most agents need a guide by their side. If that's the case with you, I would love to chat with you. You can give me a call or shoot me a text message at 402-680-7000 or schedule a one-on-one with me. The link to my calendar is in the description below. Let's get to the next video.